This is amazing. It was completely impossible to get inside here, but finally we did it. When
Yeah.
the posta service went out. It's today on the 30th of July 2024, and we have Mannerheimintie and Mannerheim 76C, the last one to be filmed in this building. You can also watch the other staircases here. Unfortunately, staircases here they were badly replaced.
Yeah.
But they were filmed before it.
Yeah. I didn't film them, but you filmed.
Yeah, luckily. It was built by ValmetSchlieren in 1979, Simple VS 5467, and I believe it is the beginning of 1979 because it was constructed 78 to 79.
Yeah.
This is the first floor. A lot of sounds and smell here.
Same.
And we will take tours here.
Yeah. No memory.
Yeah, but it's near, so it doesn't need it.
Yeah.
It is also in the Helsinki airport, so money on Finland. Let's go down to the basement floor again.
Is built by Lift Institute and maintained by Pääkaupunkiseudun Hissikeskus.
I love the machine here. So.
Same here.
That is also rare, but
Yeah.
as it says, one ulos exit.
Yeah.
Good gone. Alright, so that's it.
That's